The Cadbury Creme egg is kind of a big deal when you're talking about Easter. It's pretty much your go-to treat when you're looking for Easter eggs. However, how did this egg end up in your baskets? Well, funny story.
Do you ever wonder where your favorite food comes from and why do we eat it? Well, that's what I love to talk about. This is History Kitchen. Back in the 19th century, a man named John Cadbury opened up shop and sold tea, coffee, and drinking chocolate as an alternative to the libations of the times. Meaning bars and stuff.
I mean, the man was a strict Quaker. But anyways, it's a classic story of an entrepreneur who got really good at what he does and developed new products and innovated his chocolate treats. But there is something I want to say about that. Now, to be honest, I don't want to say that Mr. Cadbury invented a chocolate vessel filled with something else. However, he was incredibly successful at marketing the eggs. And with that said, the eggs were officially invented in 1923. However, they didn't go flying off the shelves not until the 1970s because of TV. Yes, the power of advertising and a really tasty chocolate egg. And that brings us to today. It remains the best-selling chocolate during Easter, and every year about 200 million chocolate eggs are sold. That's a lot of eggs! Well, whatever time of year you want to eat them, it still remains one of the best-selling chocolates all around the world, and my favorite way is just to simply have at it. And thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing for more history and more food. How did this cookie? We're not talking about cookies. I don't know what you're saying that for. And that brings us to today. What about today? Gooey. That's some good egg. What am I even doing anymore? See ya, I hope you're watching this.